Hi guys! Late na tayo magbubukas ng regalo guys ng mga natanggap natin. So, unahin natin itong isa. Ito ay galing kay Dex. It's a polo shirt. Nice. Medium pa ako guys ha. Charot. Galing sa polo. This is for me. And then, may isa pa ako. Galing naman kay Lolo. Isa pang polo, another color. Diba? Nagkupalit ng kulay, diba? So, another, the same one, but different color. Okay? Oh, meron pa. Ako, may gift receipts. Ayun, oh. Tapos, ito naman. Oops. Aha! It's for Lolo. Galing din, ito naman galing kay Dex. Regalo din niya kay Papa niya. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, pinalit natin eh.
Yeah, pinalit lang na ito, right?
Gray and green.
Yes. And then, ito naman, ay na-receive namin sa mga parents. Ano pa? Oops. Oops. Oops.
Chocolate.
Wow! Another box of chocolate, guys. Chocolate from Godiva.
I have chocolate too. Here, look.
Here. Actually, we receive a lot of chocolates.
That's why I asked Thomas.
Yeah, I know. And there's one more, guys. Wait. Guys, continue tayo. Ito naman ay regalo ni Emma, my friend, my very good friend.
Chinese.
She's Chinese, but her name is Emma. She's a very good friend of mine. She gave me this one. She said I will like it for sure. We'll see. We'll open it. Oh! It's a Gucci perfume. Look, guys. It's very nice. She knows I love perfume. Thank you, Emma. And there's also a card. Yes. Very nice. Very lovely. Nice card. And she has a message there. Sweet message. Oh, it's a long message. I will not read it anymore. But it's a long message, as you can see it. And I think there's more. Guys, 200 bucks. 200. Thank you, Emma. I love you. Love namin kayo lahat nagbigay ng mga regalo. O, para sa'yo, ayuda mo yan.
Balik.
And then, may isa pa. Ito naman ay niregalo kay Lolo. It's a perfume for men.
Your bag.
And there's another one for that. A Lululemon key thing. Para madali siyang mahanap ni Susie pag nawawala. Can you imagine? Ang laki nito. So, ayan. That's for you. And I think na ipakita ni namin ibang mga regalo last month. Like yung JBL na karaoke speaker and yung mga iba pa. So, yun lang muna sa ating vlog na to. Salamat muli sa mga nabigyan ng mga regalo sa amin. We love all this regalo na mabinigyan sa amin. We love you guys. And thank you for watching.
Thank you for